1, 2, 3. To be a star, I can really dream about that. They're few and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, yeah. I can see them shining on me. Ooh, hi guys. Yeah. Come on, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we are, yeah, in the Afro future. I'm skywalking on the beat. Me and my niggas in the middle of the street, making a scene. Hop in the car, let's cruise, don't speed. I'm getting comfy in the passenger seat. Maybe you can drive back so I can get me a drink. Now let me see. I ain't got no money, but I still got a dream, and I can feel it coming. So it's cool with me, it's cool with me.
Hello royalty, welcome back. In today's video, get ready to be motivated to clean your space. I will be deep cleaning my fridge, doing a fridge organization. We have a huge grocery haul coming up, and we have lots and lots of cooking coming up also. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that it gets recommended to more people like you. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and subscribe if you haven't. I love and appreciate you so much. Let's get right into the video. So now I'm just removing all the detergentables from the fridge so that we get started with cleaning it, and I do hope that you love this video. Let's get on with it.
Chasing the dream, but just don't get so caught up that you lose yourself in what you thought was your reason to be. Now let me see. To be a star, I can really dream about that. They're few and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, yeah. I can see them shining on me, yeah. To be a star, I can really dream about that. They're few and far between, you know what?
To clean my fridge, I am diluting some dishwashing liquid and some bleach into my water, and this is the mix that I'll just use to clean my fridge, because this way my fridge will be clean and disinfected, and I love this style of cleaning my fridge so much.
What is this and what are we now facing? Got me thinking, got me losing patience. Always danger on the line. Though the fear has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost before. Been a spring flower starter. Hibernate till it's warm and the snow melts to water. But here comes a change, I can feel it inside. I see sun in the cloudless sky. So I open my windows and breathe in the breeze of March dancing on my skin. Suddenly I have a reason to come alive with the season calls me again. Spring awakening.
Hello Reality and welcome back. So I went out to get these groceries yesterday around 4 and my phone had no power and I could not film the shopping process for you guys, but I am not going to deny you of the grocery haul. So I did these groceries at Macro. This time I changed, I went to Macro mainly because I want to switch up to bulk buying. So Macro is the best place to do that. So when I came back, I did not have the strength to do a grocery haul then, but I just put them in the dish. So now I'm ready to do a grocery haul for you guys and let you know how much I spent and what I managed to get. So all these groceries amounted to 3,165 rand. So I'm going to run you through all the groceries before I can go on and arrange all these. I most definitely am not going to unpack the groceries for a specific reason that I have. So I'm just going to show you what I got and then just put them in a safe place for them to stay. I'm not going to open them because I have other items in my organizers or in my pantry that I need to finish up first before I open those ones. So let's go. So here I got 2 by 2 kgs of oats, jungle oats. These really did well for me last month because it just makes sense. So I have stopped buying the ready-made oats for my son. I've resorted to buying this and I'll be good to go. So I bought 2 of these, of the jungle oats. And then I got Excella rice. So this is the first thing that I was talking about when I said I changed up brands. This is not a brand that I know, but this month we are going to make this work. What I've realized is rice is all the same except basmati, of course, basmati and jasmine, but all the other types of rice, they are the same in the sense that it's how you cook them or how good you are at cooking rice. Like, it's how you cook them. It's how you cook the rice rather. So yeah, I got this 5 kg and I know that this is going to last me for a while because now I have my container which has rice is up to half. So I know that this will last me a while. Then we have, for all my Santa eaters, for all my pap eaters, you know, so I got this white star maize meal, 12.5 kg as well. So this will last me and spill over to the next month definitely. So let's move on to this part. I have some lettuce. I missed lettuce so much, guys, so I had to buy some lettuce. We also have these mixed vegetables as well. And this 2 kg of macaroni. And I only grabbed 3 spaghettis because I have some from last month. We have coffee for the man of the house. He loves his coffee. I also grabbed some sugar also grabbed this value pack for yeast because we bake in this house. I also grabbed some carrots. This will come in handy. I also grabbed cucumber and some milk, a carton 6 by 1 liters of milk. I'm not going to lift the whole box, but this is the milk that I got, the permanent brand. And we move on. I also got some Oros orange squash. I know that I said we will not have this drink in this house, but the economy will hamper you. I also got 2.5 kilograms of brown bread wheat flour, 2 by 2 liters of Excella sunflower oil. Then we move on to the toiletries. Oh, I also got some baking trays, 2 baking trays and 1 muffin tray, and a big box of yeast and baking powder and bicarbonate of soda, but those I sent to Zim. I was buying that for my mom-in-law in Zim, so yeah, but that was also part of my deal. But anyways, let's move on to, so they've already been sent to Zim, so that's why they are not here, but I just insert a clip of how they look like. So let's move on to toiletries. We have 3 bottles of Domestos. This was a valid deal. Yes. I also got some wood polish, my son's bath and wash. I also got myself this lotion. I could not find my husband's. I also got this Colgate. I got 1.5 liters by 2 of Sunlight dishwashing liquid. I know that this will spill over again to next month, or most probably 2 months. So yeah, some sanitary pads, and we are going to try this brand for the first time. It was recommended by a follower on Instagram, so I've been looking for it all this while, and it's there by Macro. So I bought this as a 6-pack, so there are 6 of these in the pack. So that's that. Then I got some sponges. These are 5 sponges. Some bicarbonate of soda for cleaning, for baking, for cooking, you know, and this 2 kg I think last me I think 3 months, because the one that I had which finished, I had it for a very long time. And I also got some Ariel automatic washing powder. I also got some Scora, and I was in need of new drying clothes, so I got this. This was for promotion, or this was on promotion, I mean. And lastly, we have some kitchen towels. Oh, and last but not least, we have some knives. So that's it. And as I said earlier, my bill went up to 3,163. I'm not sure if you can see that, guys, but that's the bill. So yeah, that's the mini grocery haul. That's the grocery haul that I had. Now let me take this away and so we can go ahead and do the mini fridge organization. As you can see, I did not buy much stuff which goes into the fridge. So yeah, we're going to do that mini fridge organization. Then I'm going to make breakfast. I'll most probably show you that, guys. Yeah, guys, am I happy with my groceries? I'm finding my way. I'm not yet there yet, but I'm finding my way. We'll see how long this takes me, and then I'll come back and say if I'm happy or I'm not happy. And as you can see, there is no protein here, there's no meat. So the budget that I have for this month, I still have 900 rand left. So that will go there to buy the meat. Obviously, I'm a meat road babe, so I'll go to get my meat by meat road. So yeah, let's pack this and then I'll catch you later. So I also got some grapes. Yeah, I also got some grapes, but I've already started eating them. And I also got some plums. This was a bundle deal. So yeah, that's something that I had left out. So for this, I'm going to put them as they are, because I'm going to put this in here as they are. Should I remove them? I'm going to leave them in the plastic, because yeah. Also going to put this in here. If this breaks the rules of fridge organization whatsoever, man, please let me breathe. There's no fears at all. So we won't be doing anything with the tomatoes. I do need to add some items in here. So I'm going to add butter, our spread, so that we create space for other items. I don't know where I put the lid for this. As you can see, this is some leftover cooking oil. And I do not throw this away because one day I'll make up a delicious meal with this cooked up oil, and it will just bomb. Let's move on. The thing is, I have washed these organizers prior.
There's no fears at all. Baby, all I need right now is you in my arms. Baby, can't you see? I never should let you go.
So I still have to buy bell peppers and all. So this would be for the bell peppers. So right now there's no purpose of me keeping it in the fridge, so it will stay here on the countertop, and these are going inside because I wouldn't want baby boy to play with them, so I'm going to keep them away. This is later on the same day that we did the haul. I am just making dinner. This was going to be rice, beef stew, and some caramelized carrots. So that is what we'll be having for dinner tonight. Obviously, we clean as we go on this channel. We better adopt that habit too.
Get up on your feet. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, you can do it. Just feel it. Dance with me. Get up, keep it moving. I see you working hard.
To make my glazed carrots, I made use of some butter, added my carrots and cooked them until they were soft and tender, and added in some sugar. I just added 1 tablespoon of sugar and seasoned this with salt and some black pepper, and also added some cinnamon powder and some syrup, which was an alternative for honey because I did not have honey. So make sure that your carrots are tender and soft, and this will make the delicious recipe come out.
Get up on your feet, just go crazy, move it to the beat. Get up, you can do it, just feel it, dance with me. Get up, keep it moving, I see you working hard, don't stop now. Get up on your feet. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up on your feet. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up on your feet. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Hi guys. So if you guys watch Kim and Tanaka, you know that Kim Maya is always saying hi guys. So welcome back to yet another day in the vlog. We want to head to the open market and get some vegetables for the house. So that's where we are going. And I've said this before, it's in downtown, so I don't like the place, but I have to go there. We have to go there, so that's where we're going. So I won't film when we're there. Maybe I'll film once we're back, because I'll get my phone snatched if I try and film there. So yeah guys, I'll catch you later. Hi guys, and we're back. So now I just need to do a quick haul for you guys and show you what we managed to get. So it's hot guys, it's very hot, so allow me to catch a breather once again. If you say anything about my mug or my water glass, I'm going to block you. Anyways guys, things are expensive. Things are now very expensive. It's not even something to talk about. My plan was that we carry about 100 rand and then that would be okay. But guess what? We were surprised. So I wanted to get Madora, Matimba, and some green peppers, not green peppers, it's some bell peppers, tomatoes just to add to the ones that I have, and some leafy vegetables and some cabbage and some bananas. And I was lying to myself thinking that 100 rand would be enough. Yet Madora and Matimba now has the price of meat. Things are not expensive guys. So let me do a quick haul and show you what I got. So in this first plastic bag I have the cabbage and the green and the cabbage and the tomatoes. So the cabbage was going for 15 rand. So yeah, this is the cabbage. I like the fact that it still has this green leaves, because the ones that I used to get in Checkers were just white cabbage and I did not like that. So at least this one has the green, still has the green, and it's fresh. So we got this for 15 rand. And we got these tomatoes and they were going, the heap was going for 10 rand, so we got 2, that's 20 rand. So these are the tomatoes. So I got the ones that are not ripe or that are just starting to ripen now, because I still have some more in the fridge. So I will not put this in the fridge. I'll just put them on top of the fridge so that they ripen up, and after that I'll put them in the freezer so that they freeze. That's the way that I'm going to keep them. So this is 20 rand worth of tomatoes, and we were given this tonight in Basera in Shona. So we're given this as our Basera. In English I'm not sure what it's called, but it's that token of our appreciation when you buy something from someone and they give you something extra on top of what you've got, something like that. So in here I have bell peppers. So this was 15 rand for this one and 15 rand for this one. So this is 30 rand for the bell peppers, which is a real big bargain, because in Checkers you get this for 36 rand, only this for 36 rand. So that's that. Also got some dried vegetable or mufushwa in Shona. So mufushwa wenyemba, and it was going for 10 rand or 20 rand. I think it was 20 rand for the plastic cup. So I remember this dried vegetable from my days when I was breastfeeding my son, the early days of breastfeeding. I struggled with getting breast milk, guys. Breast milk production was just so hard. So this came recommended for me to just have this the soup or the cooked vegetable. So I would have that, and it worked. So the next thing will be these garlic cloves. So this pack was going for 10 rand for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 9. That's that. And then I did not manage to get Madura and Anchida, because just imagine, it was 70 rand for something like this. This was for 100 rand, and then 70 rand for something like this. Doesn't make sense. And for this as well, matemba or omena in Kenyan or Tanzanian, I don't know. Omena matemba, yeah. This little packet was going for only 20 rand. Does that even make sense? This was going for 70 rand. This was going for 20 rand. So this is 40 rand. Make it make sense, because it's not making sense. Then I just bought this huge bundle of no, Tunga. No, this is Tunga, not Nyevi. Why am I lying? This big bundle of Tunga was going for 10 rand. So this is Tunga in Shona. I'm not sure in other languages what it's called, but it's a very soury type of vegetable, and I love it so much. But it shrinks so much as well if you cook it. So we got this for 10 rand. So that is everything that we managed to get today from the open market, and it's quite a fair deal, to be honest. So I'm not really sure how to package all these vegetables to make sure that they last long, especially the bell peppers, but there's somewhere that I saw that you can chop them up and freeze them, but I don't have the freezer bags. So I think I'll have to do that once I'm back from the greenery mall. That's where I can get freezer bags, because as it stands now, there's no way of me preserving all this. I wonder if I can chop this up as well and freeze this up, but I'm sure nothing is impossible. So yeah, that's the quick haul I had for you guys. I'll catch you later once I am trying to pick all this up.
Every Sunday I used to watch.
So I am back and I am ready to do something with these vegetables. So I saw somewhere that can wash these up and store them in a container like this while they're wrapped up in a paper towel or something. And these ones can be wrapped in cling film or chopped up and stored in the deep freezer. So I am contemplating on what I should do. This, or wrap them up, or wash and wrap them up. But I know as well that if you wash vegetables, they will go bad in the fridge. Okay, so I don't know whether this is wrong or not, but what I'm going to do is I am going to wrap these up and put them in the fridge, and just hoping that that doesn't make them spoil earlier. With the cost of things nowadays, we are trying to just make sure that everything lasts longer, because wow. So I think I would be washing these vegetables when I'm ready to cook them, because I don't want to risk anything and they spoil. So what I'm going to do is just cut the stems off and cover them in this and store them in here or in the crisp drawer of the fridge. And yeah, I don't know guys, but for now I think I'm just going to do that. So let's do it. Or let me start with the bell peppers. Yeah, let me start with the bell peppers and put them in here to ensure that I create space for me cutting. I hope that I can put this in water again so that it doesn't go bad, because rosemary has a tendency of going bad. So I'm just going to put this in water as well. So for the bell peppers, let's say that I have to put them wrapped individually. So I'm not going to wash them. I'll just wrap them individually and put them in the storage container. So I'm not sure how this.
If I had a choice, I'd be at the bar right now, sipping on a Moscow Mule while I listen to some blue. Yeah, but I'm in the sky flying to you right now. Yeah, you say you from Montego Bay, so I'll come to you. Ooh, and I get some peace and quiet when I die, 'cause I'm on the move. Yeah, 20 something, that's you. I got time, so I'ma do whatever it is I want to. Oh yeah, yeah. Whatever it is I want to. If only I had a million pocket, I get it poppin', no stopping, I stock it, cop it and rock it, and it's designer. I got it, baby, I just like to find it, just 'cause I know that you want it. Check it, it's Gucci on my ass, but I only want it if they ain't already got it. I'm young, fun loving, fuck it, let's take a flight out to Japan. Baby, keep it 100, just so you know that I'm the man. Ain't finna settle for no cushy, life was never in the plan. Baby, I got direction, I'm moving, I'm ballin', stepping. So if I'ma learn a lesson, I learned it in the span of a lifetime. Whoa, or maybe when I land. Yeah, yeah. If I had a choice.
Unfortunately now I can't close it, so I'm just going to put it in the fridge like this.
You right now, yeah, you say you from Montego Bay, so I come to you. And I get some peace and quiet when I die, 'cause I'm on the move. 20 something, that's you. Yeah, I got time, so I'ma do whatever it is I want.
So So this was already in the fridge, but I just need to do this whole trick here. So as I'm still learning these things, maybe I'm doing it wrong, so you guys can just help me by commenting in the comment section down below how I can do this well. And for my tomatoes, I do not wash them. That's one way that I saw that they stay for a long time, because I do not wash them before I put them in the fridge, and they stay for quite a long time. So that is what I am just continuing to do. So these are the tomatoes, and they're going back into the fridge. I don't like this one not being closed, but I think I'll figure it out soon. So yeah, those are done. Over to the leafy vegetables. So as I said, I'm just going to cut off the stems.
Really begins, really begins.
I'm also tempted to just cut these up and put them in a plastic bag, guys.
This is all I need. Heartbeat racing. Is this my reality?
And then in goes my vegetables. The tomatoes that are not yet ripe, I'm going to put them in this colander until they ripen, so that I can now put them in the freezer. So I just put this on top of my fridge so that they ripen, and once they are good, put them in the freezer. So yeah, these are the tomatoes. Let's mix this on top of the fridge. What did they say about carrots? They said I can either put them in water, or I can chop them up and freeze them up. So I think that's what we're going to do.
And that's where our story really begins. Really begins. Really begins. That's when.
So if you were praying against my mug, you have succeeded, because this has become the home for my rosemary. As for these, they're just going in the basket with my onions and my onions, because This is dried and this is garlic, and it does not have space in the fridge, so I'm just going to put it in that. Same goes with mutton. So I am done, and we'll see how it goes from here, but I am done. So my time in the kitchen is done. I'm done. I'm not even supposed to step into the kitchen on a Saturday or on a Sunday. On weekends, basically, my kitchen is not mine. So let me go and catch up on some YouTubers, and I will see you guys later. Peace out. Trust my husband to know that I love this chikanda chesaza, guys. Trust my husband to know and understand that. And anyways, let me have my dinner. This is later on in the evening. Dinner made proudly by Hubs. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Please don't go away without liking this video first. From me to you, love and light. Let us continue making our homes fit for royalty. I will see you in the next upload.